This is a night glow print, and when the lights are switched off, this print glows extremely brightly to communicate your message. Night glow prints are perfect for safety signages like emergency exit signs and of a fire. When the power goes off, these signages guide you to the nearest exit point. The job is printed on this specialized night glow media, and the artwork is reproduced on a UV printing machine. UV inks are heat resistant, they are scratch resistant, and they are perfect for outdoor signage applications. This print is then mounted on this thick, rigid and flat plastic sheet. Moreover, the plastic plate has this two-sided tape on its reverse side to enable instant installation on any smooth surface inside your factory or shop floor. And for more such interesting solutions on printing and signages, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.